I got a bottle.
So what's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. Today's vlog is for all those foodies, those people who love food, because today I'm gonna take you to one of the oldest authentic Chinese restaurants in Calcutta, and I bet you didn't even know this Chinese restaurant existed, because the road that we have to take to this Chinese restaurant, the road is full of lanes and it's very interior into Tangra. So many people don't know this Chinese restaurant even exists because of the way you have to reach there. It's pretty hidden from the public. Only the local people over there, or if people have been going from years and years, they know where this place exists. And this is one of the most oldest restaurants in Kolkata. Means this restaurant is there since my grandfather's time, और ये restaurant अभी तक चल रहा है. And trust me, the food over here is amazing. So let's not talk too much and take you directly to the restaurant. The restaurant is situated in Tangra, in the interiors of Tangra. So we're gonna travel over there, and I'd rather tell you people to travel on a bike or maybe go walking or public transport over there, because you cannot take a car. A car will not fit in that road. So try your level best to go through a bike or, you know, public transport and walking. And this restaurant is opened mostly every day of the week. Only Wednesday it is closed. So now we are entering Tangra, guys. And now I'm going to show you the route. मतलब हम रास्ता दिखाने वाला है तुमको, यहाँ से कैसे हम लोग पहुँचेंगे रेस्टोरेंट की तरफ, क्योंकि यहाँ से बहुत गली गली जाना है, तो पूरा रास्ता देख के जाना, नहीं तो you will lose yourself, you will lose the road. So first thing you need to remember is this sign, Hot Wok Village Chinese Bar and Restaurant, and you see this sign, you take the road in. Here you have Beijing Restaurant, Golden Empire Restaurant. You have to pass all these restaurants. Here you have Big Boss Restaurant as well. Inside this you will have Yamaha Service Center. So for everyone who knows where is the Yamaha Service Center over here, from there you need to go into this road. You will reach a complex like this. Know that you are on the right road. As I said, ये रेस्टोरेंट ही ऐसा जगह में है कि कोई ढूंढ ही नहीं पाएगा. The food in this restaurant is so amazing that people travel from everywhere to come here to eat. Okay, so this is Chinese Kali Mandir, and then you need to take this lane inside here. बोला था ना गाइस, बहुत गली गली है अंदर जाने का, तो पूरा रास्ता देख के जाना वीडियो से, so that you all don't get lost. से हम लोग को थोड़ा आस्ते जाना पड़ेगा। Kolkata's most oldest hidden authentic Chinese restaurant. I think I'm gonna keep that as the title of the video. And we are almost reaching. यहाँ का रास्ता थोड़ा ख़राब है तो थोड़ा ध्यान से चलाना. Ride carefully on this road. We have finally reached. अभी हम लोग बाइक पार्क कर लेंगे. दिस इज द रेस्टोरेंट. कैसे हो अंकल? सब ठीक है?
एकदम ठीक है. आप कैसे हैं?
सब ठीक है. यहाँ बैठेंगे वहाँ बैठेंगे?
नहीं, इधर बैठो.
इधर. कम ऑन. So this is how the restaurant looks. So guys, ये है वो रेस्टोरेंट. ये कोलकाता का सबसे पुराना चाइनीज़ रेस्टोरेंट है. दिस इज़ कोलकाता's मोस्ट ओल्डेस्ट चाइनीज़ रेस्टोरेंट. The road looks something like this to come inside here also. इतना खुफिया रेस्टोरेंट है. ठीक है, तो चलो हम लोग अंदर जाते हैं रेस्टोरेंट में. तो रेस्टोरेंट का 2 सीटिंग एरिया है. ये एसी वाला सीटिंग एरिया है लेफ़्ट में, और ये राइट में नॉन एसी वाला सीटिंग एरिया है. ये है किचन अंदर जहाँ पर कुकिंग करते हैं. तो चलो हम लोग अंदर जाते हैं एसी वाला एंड में. तो ऐसा कुछ लगता है पूरा रेस्टोरेंट एसी वाला. तो अच्छा ही है. तो आज हम लोग ऑर्डर क्या किया है खाने के लिए. हम लोग ऑर्डर किया है वॉन्टन नूडल सूप, विच इज़ द मोस्ट फेमस डिश ऑफ दिस रेस्टोरेंट. एंड वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड चिकन चिली. जी हाँ, यहाँ पर वो लोग इसको, दे डोंट कॉल दिस डिश ओवर हियर चिली चिकन. दे डोंट कॉल इट चिली चिकन, दे कॉल इट चिकन चिली. ठीक है, which is another signature dish of this restaurant. So let's eat the food in this restaurant and see how it is, guys. Okay, so guys, this is the food that we get over here that we ordered. This is the wonton noodle soup. This is the chicken chili. So now let's taste all this food and see how it is. Okay, it's good. Lovely. This is how they are. So let's try this. plate. For this price, this food is just amazing. Guys, now we have finished eating our food. हम लोग खाना खाना हो गया. We finished eating our food and it was a nice experience over here. This is once again, this is how the restaurant looks. And for whatever we ate today, the cost came up to 780 rupees. Thank you, uncle. आ रहे हैं. Thank you. Bye bye. So guys, this was a video on this restaurant. It's called Along Restaurant. Many people pronounce it as Halcyon. So thank you Halcyon for the food today, and I hope this video was nice for a lot of people. Please do come here and try the food. It is really nice and authentic. The restaurant here is open from 8 in the morning to 12 in the afternoon, and then it is usually open from 2 in the afternoon again to 12 in the night. But now they are not open in the evening times. I think due to Corona and all, they are not open in the evening. But if you want to have a nice breakfast, authentic Chinese food, and in a place that will give you no tension and no drama, that is the place to come. Along Chinese Restaurant. I showed you today, I made this vlog today so that people could find out this place, because it's a very secret type of a restaurant. It has been open for many years. One of the oldest restaurants in Kolkata. And I hope this video brings a lot of people to this restaurant, because this restaurant really deserves the crowd. And do tell me guys, what type of videos do you want to see? मतलब क्या क्या तरीका का वीडियो तुम लोग को पसंद है देखने के लिए, दो हमको बताओ, हमको बताना गाइस, ठीक है? कमेंट करना क्या क्या टाइप ऑफ वीडियोस तुम लोग को देखना पसंद है. हम ट्राई करेंगे वो सब वीडियोस बनाने के लिए, ठीक है? तो और एक बार लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो. बी सेफ एंड राइड हार्ड. दिस इज ऑक्टन बॉय ब्रैंडन signing off from this vlog. Bye bye.